Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start this video. Basically, today I was supposed to do heatless curls with a little rods, these right here, right? But this is the end result. Look at this. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, okay? They've come out better in the past before, but let me just tell you that this wasn't what I wanted anyways. But okay, so before I did these right here, I had already pre-washed my hair the night before, so my hair was already washed, just because I had tried it before with wet hair and it didn't stay at all. My sister helped me and I slept with them and I thought that was gonna help, but it didn't. Like, I woke up and my hair was just wet still, so it didn't work. So basically what I did was I washed my hair the night before and then I let it air dry by itself. I really didn't do much to it. You'll see in the video that I am combing it out a little bit. I had already combed it the night before, but you know, I had to comb it out a little bit more. And then I just get right into it pretty much. So I didn't really do anything special, but I had before done it and I had slept with it, so I blow dried my hair, my bad. I blow dried my hair and then I did the rods and then I just went to sleep. I woke up the next day and my hair looked nice. I do have to put hairspray and stuff on my hair because, well, I mean, my hair it doesn't curl. It's really hard for it to curl, and if it does, it'll be gone within like an hour or two. It just doesn't last. But anyways, hope maybe my video helps y'all. I don't know if I'm doing the technique right or wrong. If I'm doing something wrong, let me know. I can try to better it. I don't know. As far as what I've seen every other video, I feel like I was doing the right thing. I don't know, but I hope you guys like it. babe.